Camp Bestival has announced a huge lineup for 2022, with none other than Rudimental and Rag and Bone Man set to perform. Alongside a host of legendary acts, it's going to be a corker, and here's how you can get your hands on tickets. If you click on a link in this story, we may earn affiliate revenue. This year there are two legendary venues, as Camp Bestival has announced the lineups for Dorset, and the newly announced standalone festival, Camp Bestival Shropshire. Get tickets to Camp Bestival, click here. Pop legends Rudimental and Rag and Bone Man have been announced for the epic Camp Bestival Dorset lineup, alongside legendary acts Sister Sledge, Earth, Wind and Fire Experience featuring Al McKay, and Kool and the Gang, with this year's theme Desert Island Disco. And for the first ever Camp Bestival Shropshire, none other than Fatboy Slim, Rag and Bone Man and Becky Hill have been booked to perform. It's worth noting that not all acts will be at both festivals, so make sure to check if there is some you have your heart set on seeing. The Dorset edition will take place on July 28th to 31st, with the new Shropshire location hosting on August 18th to 21st. Tickets for both festivals will go on sale Friday, January 28th at 10 a.m., and it's not to be missed. Priced at £190 plus booking fees for adults, and £75 for child weekend tickets. Available from Ticketmaster here. You'll need to be fast, as we're expecting a bumper year. Speaking on Camp Bestival Dorset's lineup announcement, Camp Bestival curators Josie and Rob DeBank said, "I can't quite believe it's lineup time again. For the 14th year running. As ever, the bill isn't about one big act or one type of music, it's a patchwork of music, comedy, entertainment, wellness and food for kids of all ages." From heavy hitters Rag and Bone Man and Rudimental to newcomers like Lola Young and Orla Gartland, Horrible History's making a welcome return, and we have our very first stunt motorbike and BMX arena with Extreme Bike Battle, the best street food in the UK and more circus than you can shake a Diablo at. A huge hit with families, Camp Bestival is full of more than just music. Families can also get lost in 4 days worth of theater, well-being workshops, circus spectacles, comedy and a mouth-watering array of exquisite food and drink. Sounds good? You can get tickets here, plus here's everything else you need to know. When is Camp Bestival? Camp Bestival Dorset will take place on July 28th to 31st, and the new Shropshire Festival will be held on August 18th to 21st. Where is Camp Bestival? Camp Bestival Shropshire will take place at Weston Park, and Camp Bestival Dorset takes place at Lulworth Castle. How can I get tickets to Camp Bestival? Tickets for both festivals will be available from Ticketmaster, with a range of options including adult and child weekend tickets. Tickets will go on sale January 28th at 10 a.m., and you can buy tickets here. How much are tickets to Camp Bestival? Depending on which tickets you go for, they can range in price from £75 for child weekend tickets and £190 plus booking fees for adults. Tickets for the new Shropshire Festival are also slightly cheaper at £180. Tickets are available from Ticketmaster here. Who is performing at Camp Bestival? Across the two festivals are a range of acts, including Rag and Bone Man Sisters, Ledge Earth Wind and Fire Experience featuring Al McKay, Cool the Gang, Rudimental, Becky Hill, Sophie Ellis Bextor, Fatboy Slim, Gok Wan, Dub Pistols, Faithless, Lola Young, EMF, Mr. Motivator. Remember, some acts may appear at Dorset, but not Shropshire. Not your thing. Tickets for Duran Duran's 2022 shows are now available. Legendary pop duo Tears for Fears are also playing a series of concerts next year. And don't miss twinkly-eyed crooner Michael Buble's UK tour either.